One of the great workhorses in the Japanese truck space is the Isuzu N Series. Powered by the 4HK1 engine, this versatile truck has helped move Australia for the last 30 years. Surprisingly, the N Series, manufactured from 2008 through to 2018, were not fitted with a positive crankcase ventilation filter. Most other models in the Isuzu lineup, even those using the 4HK1 engine, have a factory-fitted crankcase filtration system. Ryco Filters Australia have developed the RCK400 crankcase filtration assembly kit, uniquely engineered to support the N Series, protecting the engine from unnecessary carbon buildup and loss of engine performance. The kit incorporates the latest Australian-designed and engineered Ryco Catch Can, together with moulded emission hoses to suit the N Series chassis and engine layout. We fitted the RCK400 to this rental, with 168,000 kilometres on the clock. The crankcase gases now enter the catch can, cleaning the vapour mix and removing the key culprits that cause carbon buildup. Over the next 10,000 kilometres, we prevented nearly 300 ml of oil and other contaminants from entering the air intake system. Without crankcase filtration, these contaminants would mix with fuel, air, crankcase and exhaust gas vapours and develop into carbon. The carbon clogs the intake system, building up on the back of valves and degrading the performance of the engine. Eventually, the engine will need to be dismantled and the carbon physically removed. Installation of the RCK400 crankcase filtration assembly kit can be completed in roughly 30 minutes. Everything you need for the job is in the box, including fitting instructions and an extra length of emission hose to get around any accessories you may have fitted. As a preventative maintenance step to keep your N Series in top condition, the kit is both cost-effective and easy to install. Ryco continue to develop products with local engineers, just like the RCK400 crankcase filter assembly kit. Check with your local Ryco stockist and keep your truck performing at its best with Ryco filters.